Welcome back to No Garage Garage. This is just an update. As you can see, I'm mobile. Well, hopefully you can see it. Anyway, I just want to let you guys know what was going on. The video I put out last week was actually filmed 2 weeks prior. When I was unable to do anything. And I got a speck of something on my glasses. Figures. Since then, this is actually 2 weeks since I filmed that. I'm still fractured hip, but I'm mobile. I can get around. I'm off any prescription medications as far as pain pills. Once in a while I gotta take a Tylenol or two. After this I'll have to take a Tylenol or two because this is still a little strenuous. I'm filming this the day before it drops, and the day after this video drops I go back to the doctor for my second appointment to see how things are going. Hopefully I get good news. My first visit, which was after I filmed last week's episode, they did say that because my hip didn't displace, it displaced but barely, because of that I didn't need surgery. Which is actually with what happened to me is pretty rare. Usually people end up needing surgery because their hip gets displaced pretty bad. But I didn't break the femur or fracture it. I fractured my pelvis in 3 spots. And one of those spots being the hip socket. So I guess I lucked out, if you want to call it that. Anyway, I just wanted to update you, let you know what's going on. Yesterday was actually my first venture outside in 2 weeks, and it felt good. So I grabbed the tripod, grabbed the camera, and I've got a new mic. Hopefully this mic works out better than the last one. I am wearing sweats because blue jeans are still a bit tight. They're uncomfortable right now. But I'm mobile, and that excites me because I don't have to get wheeled around. I don't, even so much as going to the bathroom was a chore. I'm able to stand up on my own with no help. I've actually been able to do that now for over a week. Things are going good. The healing process seems to be going quickly. I don't want to jinx myself, but and it's still going to be probably a month before I'm able to get down on the ground and work on my cars. That said, the Crown Vic still has a miss. While I was out and about yesterday, I got in the car, I got in the Crown Vic, I got in white trash, got them fired up. They haven't been started in over a week, so I got them fired up, warming up. White trash is having an issue with losing a lot of antifreeze. It's never ending with this truck. So that's something I got to get figured out here pretty soon. The Crown Vic is still got a miss, and when I put it on the computer, it was telling me that cylinders 2 and cylinder 8 wasn't firing. It was a misfire on those cylinders. So I'm thinking maybe just real quick, we climb under the hood and see if maybe I didn't plug it in all the way. I don't know. Let's check. Yeah. So anyway, that's what's going on with me, medical, with my leg. I'm hoping to get back to this as soon as I can. I kind of miss working on the cars, which is weird for me to say because before I started this venture, I didn't like working on my cars. So this has kind of invigorated me to enjoy working on cars again. Yeah. We'll be right back. All right. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, my wife is going to kill me for being out here moving around. As long as I'm supporting myself, I'm okay. That's my philosophy. Pop the hood on the car and fire it up. Ow. And this is where she's going to come out and yell at me. Okay. Yes, this is my life right now. She is definitely going to come out here and have words. I know she is. So, let me get this hood open. I'll be right back. All right. I gotta do a little side step here. One of, it was said number 2 and number 8. So let's get in here and see if this actually makes a difference. If I remove, wait, grab the right plug. Number 8. Nope, that didn't make a difference. And I suspect the same is going to be for number 2. 1, 2. So it'll be this one right here. Come on. That one makes a difference. Huh. But number 8 didn't. Let's see. Okay, that one, so that's a bad coil. Alright. Which sucks about that is I'm going to have to take apart all of this and this bracket again just to change that coil. That sucks. Because I got to take the fuel rail off. Oh look, a spider. A spider. Alright, well. That's good to know though. So I guess I need to order some coil packs. Alright, anyway. I'll get back to you in just a second. Okay, so I mean that's the chance you take with buying cheap coil packs from Amazon. And I knew that going into it. You know, they're hit or miss. I've had good luck with them. I've had a couple that have not worked out, which is fine. But thank you for this thank you for going along with this little it was nice just to pop a hood on a car and diagnose. Like I said, the computer was telling me that number 2 was bad and number 8. Number 8 definitely was. Did make a difference if I unplugged it. So I'm gonna have to pull that one, and in order to pull that one, I gotta pull well, I showed you. I gotta pull the throttle body off. I gotta pull a bunch of stuff off. And they're not expensive to buy another set, so I'll get them ordered this week. Hopefully tomorrow, actually. And then I'll hopefully have them in by this weekend. The number 2, when I pulled that one, it affected the motor, but I am getting a code on it, so I'm gonna have to look at the code again. It does say that there's other possibilities, so I'll look into it. It may be a bad wire, I don't know. This car sat for a long time, so good chance it might be chewed, maybe. Of course, so when I unplug it, it made a difference, so I think I'm just going to change out the coil anyway, because why not? So I'm going to get the heck out of here. Again, I'm healing. Things are getting better. Yesterday, I became mobile. I mean, I was always kind of mobile, but yesterday was my first real venture outside and everything. Oh, my hand. And I, using the crutches, my hand is still hurt. When the doctors checked it, they said they couldn't see anything, but there was also one bone that they couldn't see. So that's probably the culprit, because even to this day, a couple weeks later, I still feel it. And if it was a sprain, it would have been better by now. But it is also getting better. And the only time I really notice it is when I'm walking around on my crutches, putting pressure on it. Because it happens to be on the same side as my hip, because they're both on the left side. So the side that I need to use pressure on when I'm using the crutches, you know, if it was my other hand, it'd have probably been a whole lot better. Which is weird to say. But yeah. So I'm rambling. Things are going better. I'm glad. Hopefully, like I said, it's probably still going to be a while. I'm not going to be able to get on the ground and get back up for at least a month, I suspect. But hopefully, I think I might be good enough to change out some coil packs this weekend and put out a video next week working on a car, which is a lot sooner than I expected. You guys have a good day. Don't forget, merch.ng-g. Got our Project 65 shirts. Got our No Garage Garage shirts. And hit me up on Facebook. The link is down here to my Facebook. Send me a message. I've got stickers. Send me a message with your address. I will mail that sticker out to you for free. They're just little things, but what the hell. Hopefully here I'm going to be making some bigger ones that will be going up for sale, but my little ones, you're more than welcome to them. If you want more than one, just say so. And yeah, have a good one. Talk to you later, and thank you all for the kind comments on last week's video about hopefully, wishing me get well wishes or whatever. See you next week. Bye.